Drinking plain water every day feels like the healthiest habit in the world, right? You wake up, grab a glass, take a sip, and tell yourself, I'm doing something good for my body. But what if I told you that after 50, plain water alone may not be enough anymore? What if I told you that your skin, joints, and collagen system might actually be asking for something more? Before we start, please take a second to subscribe, because small daily habits like this can truly change how you feel, look, and age. Now listen carefully. If you're a senior, or even close to it, and you've noticed your skin becoming thinner, drier, less firm, if wrinkles seem deeper than before, if your joints feel stiff in the morning, this message is for you. Most people think aging skin is just normal. They accept sagging. They accept lines. They accept dullness. Much of this happens because your body slowly stops producing collagen the way it used to. Collagen is what keeps skin firm. It keeps your face lifted. It supports joints. It helps your body repair itself. When collagen drops, everything starts to change. Your skin loses bounce. Wrinkles settle in. Healing becomes slower. And here's something nobody tells seniors. Even if you drink lots of water, your body may not be using it properly anymore. Because hydration after 50 ain't just about water. It's about absorption. It's about minerals. It's about giving your cells what they actually need. That's why so many older adults drink water all day, yet still feel dry, tired, or stiff. So, what's the simple thing you can add? Just one natural ingredient? Nothing expensive, nothing complicated? Something your grandparents probably used. A small squeeze of fresh lemon. Yes, just lemon. Add fresh lemon juice to your water. This tiny change can make a big difference. Lemon helps your body absorb water better. It supports digestion. It gently detoxes. And most importantly, it provides vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen. Without enough vitamin C, collagen production slows down. Your skin loses structure, wrinkles deepen. But when you give your body vitamin C daily, even in small amounts, you're supporting your skin from the inside. People who start lemon water often notice their skin looks brighter, smoother. Less dull. They feel lighter, more energized. And their digestion improves too. Now here's something even more powerful. Add a tiny pinch of natural salt. Just a pinch, not table salt. Natural mineral salt if possible. Why? Because minerals help water enter your cells. They help hydration go deeper. This combination, water, lemon, and a pinch of salt, turns plain water into a cellular hydration drink. Your body recognizes it better. Your cells drink it up. Your skin benefits. Your joints feel easier. Your energy improves. You don't need fancy supplements. You don't need expensive collagen powders. Just give your body what it understands. Real hydration. Real minerals. Real support. Start your morning with this. One glass, warm or room temperature. Sip slowly. Don't rush. Let your body wake up with it. Do this every day. Not once, not twice. When was the last time you truly cared for your body from the inside? Not just creams. Not just lotions. Inside. Your skin reflects what's happening internally. No cream can replace hydration at the cellular level. No serum can rebuild collagen if your body doesn't have the tools. That's why seniors who only focus on external skincare often feel disappointed. The real magic happens from within. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing softer lines, brighter eyes, healthier skin. Imagine waking up with less stiffness, moving easier, feeling lighter. That's what small daily habits can do. You don't deserve to feel old before your time. Your body still wants to heal. It still wants to regenerate. I've seen people in their 60s and 70s transform simply by improving hydration and nutrition. Not overnight, but steadily. Quietly. Naturally. So, tomorrow morning, don't just drink plain water. Upgrade it. Add lemon. Add a pinch of salt. Give your body a reason to glow again. And please remember, aging doesn't mean giving up. It means becoming smarter about how you care for yourself. If this helped you, do something kind for yourself right now. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs it. Because everyone deserves smooth skin, strong joints, and confidence at any age. Stay healthy. Stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.